butterfly. She wants to go to the Philippines.
Everything just ruined, guys. Yung mga plano. Good morning. Where are we going?
Philippines.
We're going to the Philippines. Where are you going lang? Where are you going? Ayan, dito na kami sa taxi, guys. Pupunta kami ng airport ngayon. And it is 8 o'clock in the morning. Ang flight natin ay 12 something ng tanghali. Yes. Bagahe natin. Diyan. Dali ko na. Asan ba?
I think they have the same shoes I have.
Yeah. Ito pala yung mga bagong shoes nila. Hindi ko na-vlog kahapon kasi nakatulog si mami niyo. Ayan yung kanyang Converse. Kay Ate Paris ay high cut.
Are they the same?
Hmm?
Are they the same?
Similar, honey.
Why?
See? Yours is high cut. See? This one is here. Isn't that right lang?
If this is
I should
similar
hold
to
Mama's hand.
mine, similar.
Similar, that's
No,
right.
it isn't.
Really?
Yeah.
It is. See, have a look at the color. It's just the style. The different is the style.
Do you mean because mine is different here?
Tingnan niyo ang pa-outfit ng ating Ate Paris dyan, oh. Diba? Pabongga.
My
Ang
sleeves
ating baby Selena ay sporty lang.
sleeve.
Ate Mike's there. Dali. Yes lang.
Sleeveless shoelace looks like a fidget spinner. Look,
Yeah?
looks like a
Sobrang
fidget
cute, oy. Very cute. At the airport now, guys. Dito na mabagahin natin. Daddy Mike's just taking the... What happened? Ayan. Kuha ng trolley. Okay, ate lang. Happy girl. Happy girl. Okay, go on the side lang. Go on that side. So it's now 10:22 in the morning and nakapasok na kami, guys. So naka-check-in na mga baggage and everything. Andito na kami, papunta na kami sa aming gates. Hey! Ito siya ay nakatulog. Ngayon lang to siya nagising. So we went through all the checks and everything. And very much just buying something to eat. La. Are you going to the Philippines? So, yung aking family din, guys. So, my sister, my mom, my brother, tapos yung isang ang pamangkin ko, imimit nila kami sa Manila. So, I booked their ticket. Ngayong umaga sila, ngayong umaga sila darating doon.
Yeah, I gotta go back.
Thank you. What's this? Hey, coffee!
You wanna hold this one? It's hot.
Yeah.
Just I'll take it now.
Hang on, nak. It's still hot lang.
I'll get you something.
Da.
Yeah, right now. Come.
We'll wait until it cools down, okay? Mama will give it to you. Stay here. Kasi namin magstay sa Manila for until the 4th of January, guys. Kaya naisipan ko na parang ayokong i-waste yung time na spend with my family, even though hindi talaga sila lahat. So, 4 sa kanila, pinapunta ko ng Manila para magstay kami doon hanggang 4th of January para alam niyo yung time ay sulit na sulit talaga. So, ando na sila. Maaga silang darating doon. Sabi ko sa kanila, basta lang sila muna ng airport, punta muna sila ng MOA, tapos balik sila mamaya 6 o'clock ng gabi kasi 5:55 yung aming dating doon sa Maynila. So yeah, very exciting! You're going to see Lola, Tita, Tito, and Kuya. Yes? Yes? Oh my God, I'm so excited, guys. You got no idea. Pero hindi ako makatulog ba. Iniisip ko lang na pagdating namin doon, ihahag ko na sila. Parang ini-imagine ko. Ang mukha na delayed ang flight ko. Give to Mama?
Nice. Show me.
Delta Premium Select customers are welcome.
Ay, nag-drawing na lang guys. Late ang aming airplane. Give to Mama? Anong oras na? What time is it now, Daddy?
Yes.
1:40.
Oh, man.
We should have, yeah, our boarding time was 11:40. Tapos ngayon, it's 1:40. Hindi pa kami nakaalis, guys. Uy, what are you doing, anak? You okay?
Fine.
Ay, tantang na.
Oi.
Fine. Hey, why you sad? Hey, why you sad?
Because I want to go to the Philippines.
You know why I was poor yesterday?
Yeah,
Why?
because you want to go on a plane.
Because I want to go to the Philippines.
I know.
Oh, that's why I was crying there.
Oh, I
And I
can't
had-
believe it, guys.
I had nothing to do.
So it's the next day, 2nd of January. And oh, careful, my love. And guess what? We are still in Sydney. Oh, our flight got cancelled yesterday. So, yung boarding time namin was 11:40 in the morning. Tapos, after 2 hours, wala pa rin. Lahat naghihintay na doon.
My tooth came out.
And, after that, sinabi lang ng Cebu Pacific na canceled yung flight. So, in-announce nila na ganito, canceled yung flight, yung mga taga Sydney, umuwi na muna kayo. And then, yung mga hindi taga dito, go pick up your luggages from the baggage claim area. Tapos, punta daw ng counter F. Kami naman ni Daddy Mike, bit-bit yung mga kids. Nagmamadali kami kasi, you know, we're trying to find the baggage claim area habang nasa
And
loob kami ng ng departure departure building. And hindi nila sinabi na dun pala i-exit. So, kailangan kaming pumasok doon kung saan papasok kami kung meron yung aeroplano.
And-
Yes, my love.
and Mama kind of sad because of her flight. She wants to go to the Philippines.
So, umikot kami ng umikot kahapon. And, anyways, we figured out na dun pala, balik din kami sa gate namin kasi dun din kami i-exit kung saan papasok kami sa aeroplano kung nandun ang aeroplano. Anyways, dahil nga hindi kami taga Sydney, so they organize a hotel for us to stay. So, kung saan kami ngayon, nandito kami sa hotel, sa loob lang, nandito sa airport, sa harapan ng airport. Pinauwi nila kami dito sa hotel. Tapos, pinaghintay nila kami ng email daw, i-update kami kung ano yung mangyayari. So, last night, nakatanggap kami ng text message na sabi, may 3 options daw. Like, just the basic, you know what I mean? We can rebook within 30 days from the original flight. We can convert it to travel fund, or they can offer us a refund. So, sa pag-aakala namin na they will organize like the flight for us, we were so wrong. Kasi what they've given us ay yung 3 options lang na yun. And parang sinasabihan nila kami na, you know, the ball is in your court now. You can do whatever you want. Tapos, we were grateful for the hotel kasi pinagstay nila kami dito. But, even then, it seems like hindi yung Cebu Pacific yung nagbayad sa hotel. It seems like the Sydney Airport or some other organization yung nag-ano sa amin dito. So we tried to call them numerous times yesterday. Every time, like 1 hour na, wala pa ring sagot. We tried to get in contact with their Facebook Messenger. Yung kinakausap mo naman doon, wala ding alam. Pag sinasabihan mo sila ng kung ano yung problema, they will just like do copy and paste. You know, like, well, these are the options that you have. Ganun lang din. Parang, you can't really like fix the issue with that. And, yeah, since last night, I was just crying, guys. You got no idea, kasi yung family ko, nandun na sa Maynila, guys, from Cagayan. And then, lucky kasi may Airbnb na kami doon. So, sinabihan ko na lang yung host na hindi kami natuloy kasi nga na-cancel yung flight. Pero yung family ko andun na, so sila yung nag-stay doon. But Cebu Pacific is just like, this is a joke. Ngayon, nag-check kami kagabi. The next flight to Cebu Pacific is 8th of January. So that's still like a week away. And Daddy Mike, like midnight last night, he went down to speak to the people sa concierge sa baba. Nagtanong siya na, "You right, my love? Anak, can you help Selena? Do you wanna come down?" Because we wanted to know kung they will cover the hotel. Kasi yung next flight na available nila ay 8th of January pa. So, today is the 2nd. Can you imagine? Sabi nung sa baba na they only booked us for last night. So that means that we have to like pay for the hotel for the rest of the days na walang flight. Kasi we can't go home to Brisbane, guys. Seriously, they just don't have care for the passengers. Like, lahat planado na lahat sa Pilipinas, diba? I know, hindi naman nila pinlano siguro na there will be some issue with the flight, diba? But at least like, you know, be better than this. We tried to contact them last night after probably 3 hours on the phone. Like, we were very sleepy na kasi it's, it was a big day yesterday, moving around the airport. And yeah, finally may sumagot. But then the same thing, they're saying like, they've got no idea na yung kung Cebu Pacific ba yung naglagay sa amin dito sa airport. Kaya nga napag-isipan namin ni Daddy Michael, it seems like hindi yung Cebu Pacific yung nagpastay sa amin dito. Parang yung Sydney Airport, hindi yung Cebu Pacific, is something that they're not gonna do. And yeah, so we're only booked here for one night. At 8th of January pa yung next flight. And yung family ko sa Pilipinas, guys, nandun na sa Maynila, naghihintay. And I'm just so upset. At the moment, I'm so confused that I seriously don't know what to do. The hotel for the next week, kung hintayin namin yung flight, it will be a ridiculous amount of money, guys. I feel sorry for the kids. Paris always was saying like she wants to go on a plane to the Philippines. And iniisip ko nga, like, yeah, okay, I'll just, if ever na sila yung bayad ng hotel, I said to myself, I'll just take the 8th of January. Kahit na, it means na, shorten na yung stay namin sa Pinas kasi kailangan na talaga namin umuwi ng 21st kasi babalik na si Daddy Mike sa work and start na si Ate Paris ng kanyang prep. So we have to be back. That just means that we have to stay there for like freaking 13 days. Everything just ruined, guys. Yung mga plano. We still got ticket flying from Manila to Cagayan de Oro on the 4th of January.
Slay!
So, ang daming kailangan gawin if we fly on the 8th. Ipapauwi ko na lang yung family ko sa 4th kasi yun yung ticket namin. Tapos doon na, hanggang doon na yung Airbnb. So they have to go home without us. Yung binyag na baby Celine on the 8th. Wala na, hindi na mangyayari yung binyag. Yung sa akin na lang kung sa 8 kami makakauwi. Kahit na hindi mahaba, at least makita ko yung family ko, guys. Kasi alam niyo yung feeling na naset na yung heart mo na uuwi ka. Na magkikita mo na yung family mo. Sobrang excited na tapos ganito yung mangyayari. I would just look at flights kasi sabi nila they will offer a refund, which also, it's gonna take 2 to 3 billing cycles, which means 3 months yung refund. 2 to 3 months. And who knows kung hanggang doon lang ba talaga kasi sobrang daming tao na naapektuhan. But nag-check kami ng ticket last night. Kasi nga, di ba, it's, the day before. Yung mga flights sa yung ibang airlines na, like Malaysian Airlines, China Airlines. Tapos, ang haba pa ng flight kasi kailangan stop over sa ibang bansa. It's like 25 hours pag makarating ka ng Pinas. And kasi very close na to the flying date. So yung presyo ay doble-doble na. Merong isa, hindi today, but tomorrow, Philippine Airlines. Kung i-book namin, will be like over $10,000, guys. So, it means, kasi yung binayaran namin sa Cebu Pacific was over 5,000. It means it's, you know, we're paying another $5,000 for a flight na dapat sana yun na yun. Na nakauwi na kami ng Pinas. And if we do that, it just means that we have to spend that, you know, $10,000 now kasi like out of pocket kasi yung refund from Cebu Pacific, it will take long time pa. Hindi naman kami milyonaryo, guys. Para straight na, $10,000 for a ticket going to the Philippines. On top of that, that is for tomorrow. And it means we'll have to find somewhere to stay tonight. And now I'm just traumatized. Like even if we i-push namin na i-book namin yung flight na yan for tomorrow, which I'm scared it's not available anymore kasi ilang seats lang yung available nung chinek ko. And for sure yung mga hindi nakalipad kahapon, they would love to fly sooner. What's wrong, my love? Si Selena? Nini? Where is it there? Love you, anak. Kawawa naman to. Yung family ko sa Pinas, guys. Grabe nang hintay nila ba? Yung mama ko. Sobrang iyak kagabi pa yung kapatid ko. Kasi, sabi namin na we might just go back to Brisbane, request for a refund, and then mag-book na lang kami sometime this year, like later this year. I'm so upset. Hindi talaga mapigil ang umiyak, guys. Last night pa ako iyak ng iyak. Ngayon, yun na nga. Para akong trauma kasi, can you imagine now, pag nag-book kami ng ticket bukas, yeah, that's $10,000. That's more than $10,000. Like, minimum is $10,000. Can you imagine if they're like, we stayed here tonight, and then tomorrow we'll go to the airport, and then they will say, it's cancelled again, and you can't go until this blah 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 day. And now we have like freaking 2 tickets then. Ewan ko, guys. I'm so confused. Hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung gagawin ko.